Hello and welcome to Yoga with Lina. I'm Lina. Today's practice is a gentle practice for anyone who wants to build healthy habits. A practice that will bring you back to your breath, your body, and to ourselves. So roll out your mat and let's begin. Let's come seated on the mat. Close your eyes or have a soft gaze on a point. Placing one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Let's arrive on the mat. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, allow your shoulders to drop. Breathe in again. This time allow the breath to go all the way to your belly, and as you breathe out, allow yourself to let go of anything that's not serving you. Allow your hands to relax on your lap or on your knees. And one more deep breath in. Breathing out, letting go of anything that's not serving you. Letting go like clouds on a sunny day. Thinking about your healthy habits. Taking a moment now, thinking about just one healthy habit that you would like to start. Sometimes we can get overwhelmed and there's so many habits that we'd like to have, so many healthy ones. So why not just start with one? And once you feel comfortable with that, then you can start another one. Maybe it'll be a walk in nature for 10 minutes. Maybe it's taking some time in the morning just to have a moment of quiet for yourself. Taking a few minutes, breathing deeply, letting go, and just starting your day right. So think about one healthy habit that you would like to start. Think about that habit during the practice. Think about how you would feel doing the practice every single day. And gently open your eyes if your eyes are closed. Now coming on to all fours. Taking one foot in front. Maybe bringing your hands to your heart or on your hips. And we're just gonna focus on a point in front of us. And we're just gonna move gently forward. And as we come back, just taking the foot up and coming down. Again, just moving forward and focusing on a point and coming down. One more time to focus, because what we focus on is where our energy goes. So as you're focusing, think about your healthy habit. What is one healthy habit that you would like to start? Placing hands on the mat, taking that foot back, and then bringing the other foot in front. Again, taking the hands to the hips or in front, whatever works for you. Again, focusing on your point, going forward and coming back. You might want to take your hands to the mat if that feels comfortable. Again, focus, coming back, focus, and coming back. And then coming forward with that leg, hands on the mat, and taking that foot back, coming into tabletop. And then taking your toes to the mat, spreading your fingers, bringing your hands slightly forward, and then just coming up And then as you come forward, coming into plank, coming up, trying to place your heels on the mat, not necessarily touching the mat, and coming forward. Remember, focus. Sometimes some poses take a little bit of time. Now, if this is difficult, just bring your knees to the mat and just come back and forward, focusing on a spot and thinking about that one healthy habit that you would like to start or continue. You're being easy about it. You're not rushing. Let's do one more. And then taking knees to the mat. Taking your hands in front and taking your hips back, not coming all the way down, spreading your fingers. You're just feeling a lovely stretch here on your back and your arms, and you're thinking about that healthy habit. Maybe you want to start eating healthy, introducing something that's going to give you energy. Having the right nutrients can help to energize the body. It can help you to think better. Whatever it is, take this time to focus on the habit that you would like to start. You're being easy with yourself. You're not needing to rush. You're going to take up one healthy habit, or you're going to continue with that healthy habit. And then coming up, now coming down, taking your elbows and hands to the mat. Again, just breathing deeply, focusing on a spot in front of you, taking deep breaths here. And then lifting one arm up, and then you're going to bring it through, and then just bring in the other hand behind you. And if that's too much, just allow it to relax your hip or your leg. Feeling a lovely stretch on the shoulder, it's opening up. Letting your head rest, or you can bring the hand and place it under the head. And then coming back to the pose. Let's take the other hand up, thread it through, and then just coming back. You can use your hand to rest your head. Just feeling a lovely stretch here on your back, your shoulders opening up, chest and heart is opening up, head is rested on the hand or not. And again, just thinking about something healthy, a healthy habit that you would like to continue or start with. Think about how it would feel. What would you be doing? What do you see and hear and smell? How do you feel? And then coming back, placing hands beside your shoulders, and then coming back towards your heels. Taking a breath here, relaxing, taking a moment to focus on the healthy habit that you would like to start or continue with. And then coming up, coming to seated. Closing your eyes or having a soft gaze on a point. Thinking about the healthy habit that you would like to start or even continue with. Remembering taking small steps towards being healthy, no matter how small, can lead to big changes. Every journey starts with a single step. So think about starting your journey to healthy habits so you can be well in yourself. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice today. I hope you enjoyed it. Do share it with anyone who wants to start a healthy habit or even continue with one. So I look forward to practicing with you again, and until next time, namaste.